Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video. This time we are focusing on how to adapt your product display. So this is also a secondary part to the order layout edit how-to video. This is just more focused on the product display and the product line of your order sheets for your customers. So if you've already viewed the how-to video on order layout, this is the second part of how to adapt the product display. So in order to get there, same setup as before, you're going to go to Settings, down to Layout, and over to Order Layout. Once you've done that, you're going to select from your order types that are in your system. Once again, if you're just getting started, you'll only have one in your system. It's going to be able to save you some time later on when you create new order types. You're going to copy your previous layouts. We're going to go down and select our customer layout type from the list, and we're going to use this time the second tab for product display. If you're just getting started, it's going to look something like this with no selected first. If you want to edit the product display, we're going to select yes from the drop-down menu. This is going to allow us to change the columns and the rows in our product display on our order sheets. So what we can do is, for instance, if we don't want to show the SKU of the product, we can use the trash can and delete it. We can then also move columns around by using the arrows. That's going to allow us to customize the look of it. We can also use, in the text box, we'll see the dynamic field is already entered in here. So that we'll select from auto pull from that information. We can also choose new dynamic fields as well. Over on the right hand side, we can also click to add a new column if we want to add any column to the list, and then use our drop down fields again to select whatever we want to enter in. If we don't want to do that, we just use the delete, and we can remove it from the column. You can always update your preview using the update preview button in the bottom left hand side. Also, I'm going to delete these here. One main thing that our clients usually add is their total payments to the area. So if we want to create a section like this where it shows our payments made and our balance due, the way you're going to do that is click to add new row. We're going to put total payments in as the row name. You can also click on them here if you want to change what it says as well and edit your text field there. We're going to use the drop down dynamic field and scroll down to enter in order total paid. And then we're going to add another row. This is going to say balance outstanding. Using our drop down menu again, we're going to scroll down and we're going to select order amount due. This is now going to show all total payments, the total of all payments made on this order, as well as the balance owing. If you're going to use multiple currencies, you can enter in a currency conversion line, and we're going to use our drop down field again, and we're going to scroll down and use order total currency converter. If you haven't set up your currency conversions, will be done in another how-to video as well. If you aren't using currency conversions, completely ignore that. You don't have to use that. That's how you adapt your product display. Also here, one last thing. We can choose to make our sublines visible or not visible on our orders as well. So it's completely up to you how you want to set up your paperwork and adapt your product display lines to meet your company's standards. That's it for the Adapt Product Display how-to video. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-925-6236. That's 888-925-6236. Or you can view more how-to videos. You can send us an email at info@rentaltrax.com or use the green support button on the right-hand side of your screen. If you have any other questions, check out the website www.rentaltrax.com.